How to archive WhatsApp chat and unarchive later on. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp and log into your account. After logging into your account, simply click on the chat you want to archive. Hold the chat and you'll find archive option on top. Simply hold the chat. Suppose I want to archive Instagram chat. I'll simply hold on to Instagram chat and you'll find archive option on top right corner of your screen beside three buttons. The arrow which is facing downwards. As you can see in archive, you'll find Instagram. To unarchive this, simply hold on to Instagram again, click on Unarchive button, which is the arrow facing upwards. After that, you'll find it unarchived. And that's how to archive WhatsApp chat and unarchive later on. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.